Okay, so Dr. Merritt, tell us about you and who you are and about your medical group.
Okay, I'm an orthopedic surgeon in Glendale, California. I'm part of a group of 3 orthopedic surgeons specializing in joint replacement, arthritis, reconstructive surgery, and sports medicine.
Great. And how many years have you been practicing?
I finished residency 24 years ago and have been in private practice for the last 20 years. The other surgeons in the group have been in practice for 16 and 3 years respectively.
Oh, wonderful. And so, what is unique about your group, and what do you specialize in?
Uh, Myself, I specialize in joint replacement and failed joint replacement, doing revision surgery, hip, knee, and shoulder reconstructive surgery. The 2 sports medicine experts in the practice specialize in arthroscopy, joint reconstruction for younger patients, and athletic injury reconstruction.
Fantastic. So, tell us how you found Forum Infotech, and why did you decide to do business with them?
We were referred by another client of Forum Infotech. Is it okay to say?
Anything you want. Yeah,
I
anything.
wonder if Dave Bells would mind. We were referred to Forum Infotech by one of my good friends, David Bells, who is now a Superior Court judge in Orange County. They had excellent rapport with Forum Infotech and felt that they did a great job with their law practice, and we decided to ask them to come and help us sort out our information technology problems.
Okay, so you mentioned you had aging network, and you basically called Forum Infotech to give you recommendations and set it up for you. Throughout the process, what did you like about how they the recommendations, the technology recommendations, as well as how they managed the project?
I think basically the greatest advantage to us was to take not only an aging and outdated system, but one that had several layers of redundancy, and not only simplify the system, make it user-friendly, but do it in a very simple and straightforward fashion that didn't require us shutting down our business, didn't require us to decrease the number of patients that we saw. And I hate to use the term seamless technology, but that's essentially what it was. We went from an old system to a new system without really knowing that it was happening until it was finished. And now everything works better than it did before without any disruption in our business.
That's great. Now, what other ways has Forum Infotech helped you in saving money on your technology costs?
Forum Infotech has also looked at everything that we deal with, from phone systems to computer systems for patient billing, patient intake, patient appointment scheduling, and not only streamlined those, but showed us ways that money could be saved in terms of the other types of businesses that we deal with, the other vendors that we deal with. And it's been a very positive relationship and has saved us a tremendous amount of money.
Okay, that's great to hear. And so, in closing, what would you recommend Forum Infotech to other companies, and why would you do that?
We would definitely recommend Forum Infotech very highly, without any reservation, simply because of what they've been able to do with us. We don't recommend vendors or people we work with lightly, because once we give someone an endorsement or a recommendation, it becomes our responsibility as physicians to make sure that we've done something that's not only ethical, but will actually help other people as much as possible. We feel that Forum Infotech has come in here, helped us out quite a bit in taking a bad system and making it an excellent system. And we feel that they can easily do the same for other people that we deal with also.
Okay, that's great. And one other question comes to mind. They did the network upgrade and refreshed everything, but how has your experience been when you call them for technical support on an ongoing basis?
Exceedingly responsive. They are always available by phone, especially dealing with our system and upgrading. It is not uncommon for our administrator to make a phone call and have them take the time to drive out to our business to take care of things rather than just do things over the phone. They have been exceedingly responsive.
Okay. And one last thing that comes to mind again is that the technology that we have implemented, Citrix, will allow you to access your X-ray system pretty much from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection. And down the road, as you get the electronic medical record system, you will have access to that seamlessly with high-speed connection. What do you think? What's the benefit, advantage do you see in having such a system?
The benefit is improvement in patient care, and when I say improvement, I'm talking about instant access to radiographs that we need to deliver the appropriate care, whether I'm at home at 2:30 in the morning or I'm in any operating room at 7 o'clock in the morning or at 10 o'clock at night. I can, as long as there's computer access and internet access in the operating room, I can easily obtain whatever radiographs I need, whatever medical records I need, which truly enhances patient care.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Merritt, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Wow.